Holy shit.
Yeah. You got me crazy trying to get that thing out. It already tried to get me like 4 times.
Cool. Where's your little flute, man? Tame you. Wah, 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 wah.
I'll try to flip out. It's your residential snake, that's all.
Man, that thing is black. That thing looks poisonous.
You know, they gotta live too, man.
They can swim good too.
Oh, yeah. Of course they can swim.
Oh shit.
What?
Who's that thing?
Ah.
Hey, buddy.
Weird, Dad.
Come here, little boy.
Who did this already?
Who?
You.
What?
Oh
Oh
shit.
my God, you learned.
Okay, man, now what should I do with these, huh?
Help it.
Help me, help me, help me.
You freaking serious?
Go, yeah, yeah, yeah. Snake herding, yeah, yeah, yeah. What kind of snake is that, dude?
A black racer probably. They're harmless.
Poisonous.
Nah.
Do they get much bigger than that? We should put it in a tank.
I know it'll hurt. It's
Oh
like
shit, that guy, he's getting all curled up like he wants to come after him.
Hey, man. You just calm down. I'll knock you in the head, man. Yeah, he's looked like he's getting in that strike mode.
Jake, don't get too close, dude. You will be attacking.
Hey, man, duct tape your camera on the end of here and we'll zoom in. Don't.
This
I'm
is
gonna
getting
poke the tail
uploaded.
of it.
Don't.
Look
What do
out.
you want him to strike?
Oh my God!
That's not beef sissy part. Hey,
Oh,
you
he's
I
calling.
have my videos over there.
There he goes.
Bye, buddy.
That was